currently 6:07, July the 31st, and we're up and early trying to pack everything as neat as possible, pretty much trying to fit it in the same way when we got here. And today's an exciting day. Today is the day that we're getting out of Florida. Actually all finally packed up, ready to get out of the park, and we're gonna do a pit stop to pick up some water. We actually ran out last night, so first thing we're gonna do, because we learned from our lesson yesterday, before we get on the actual road, pick up some water, stay hydrated. We've officially crossed over to Georgia. It's right now we are right at the entrance. We haven't really got that far in, but we did get the "Now You're Leaving Florida" sign, and extremely excited for what's coming. Something very interesting about, you know, crossing from like major city to major city, like for example from Miami to Orlando and Orlando to Gainesville and Gainesville to here, is this smell changes. Everything smells different. For example, all the way up to when we got to Gainesville is extremely humid. From the gap between Orlando and Gainesville was very humid, very sticky, but now it's just plain and simple hot and dry. So right now we just stopped at our first pit stop to get some gas, stay hydrated. I got my Trader Joe's beef jerky on deck, and yeah, just reloading.
Big bad storm is rolling in. By the
Drifting away from the main cities of Georgia, we start riding through smaller, rugged towns with post-Civil War era looking houses, abandoned stores, and abandoned businesses. This was just one of the many southern towns that we crossed between Georgia and Alabama.
That old house is caving in. I won't go back there again. No suffering, the bed you made. These April showers don't change a thing. Left me hungry, you left me cold. Good Lord, Heather, you've got no soul. What goes around comes back again, and I don't feel sorry for you. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got the power and I'm moving on. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got the power and I'm moving on, moving on, moving I'm moving on.
Being on mountaintops, how we're seeing right now, is just simply breathtaking. I really wish we could just stay here the rest of the day, but this is just our midpoint. We were out here just pulling up in our motorcycles, parking, getting ready to come visit the little CCC Watch Tower that they have. And he just came out to greet us, to let us know if we're having fun in our trip, let us know that he was also a biker. He told us a little bit about his experience and his adventures that he's had here in Alabama. He pretty much told us how different things are. Really cool, all good vibes.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow.
So we've actually arrived to our camping destination in Chocolate. We're actually inside the Coleman Lake Camp Ground, and very, very friendly people. They have an honor system here where you get to pick whatever campground is available, and you just simply leave the fee that you have to leave in a box. And even if they have that set up, they're very nice people that they're willing to take care of you and anything that you need. What the fuck? Chamo, esta vaina se rompió. ¿Se rompió? Yeah. I don't even know how. Yo lo quité y lo guardé bien. No, la cuerda elástica. Alright, I can fix this. As time goes by and the sun starts setting fast, I start getting a little stressed of the possibility of not having a tent to sleep in for the night. The string that helps all of the tent poles stay together had somehow snapped while we were riding, and I was feeling that there would be no way to get this tent set up at this point.
Y'all have some good bikes.
Hey, thank you, man.
So pretty.
Yeah, cool bike too.
Not good. Need help?
No, we're all good. Thank you.
Sure you don't need help with him, Jim?
Ah, we're good. Thank you.
I just seen his slide.
¿Qué pasó?
¿Eh?
¿Qué pasó?
How long y'all planning on staying?
Oh, we're gonna be here just a night.
Just a lot?
Yeah, we're just passing by, visiting Alabama.
So y'all riding with other boxers? Are y'all riding with the other boxers?
No, No, it's just him and me. I did see some other bikers getting out of here.
Whose team's bigger?
I think this one. But I think I packed the too big. Because now it's complicated closing it. ¿Estás bien?
Yeah. All good.
Then what were those other motorcycles you were saying? Help pulling it up.
I think it's fine. Can you hold it? There at the top. At the top? Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Nice. Good job. The other one.
Those look small.
Yeah, this one is small.
But nice room. We all got cameras for.
Really enough.
What y'all got cameras for?
Huh?
What y'all got cameras for?
Yeah, he's recording for YouTube.
Yes, you never get to see. For what?
He has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, we're filming a cross-country trip.
You see? Nice. Perfect.
That's not fully. Are we on it now?
Yeah, you actually are. You want to say hi?
Hi.
I think they have some.
We need help over here.
No, we're good, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You guys are really nice.
Then,
Where have y'all been to so far?
Huh?
Where have y'all been to so far?
So far, so we are going from Miami, and we are going all the way up until New York.
Long way.
I don't care.
As far as hell. Today was the longest ride we've had. Today's been the longest ride we've had. We came from, you know where Gainesville, Florida is?
I think so. I don't know.
Gainesville is in the northern part of Florida.
Nice.
So we came from Gainesville. Well, we came from Miami to Gainesville. So riding the Florida Panhandle is like the whole tip. Imagine coming from the southest point of Alabama to the northest point of Alabama. That was yesterday. It took us like 8 hours.
Do y'all video every time y'all get to the
Yeah.
place?
Yeah. And
What do y'all video really?
the ride itself, you know, the people we meet,
Right there.
different stuff.
Yeah. I think that's what we.
Where you going? Going back. Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay.
If you do need help, just tell us, okay?
Perfect.
Cool, man. You have a good day.
You too.
Chamo, yo creo que voy a hacerlo sin la vaina elástica.
¿Qué pasó?
That's the only... Se rompió la vaina elástica y ahora no entra back. Porque estas vainitas de aluminio tienen un dimple que no deja que entre o
La
salga.
vaina elástica es simplemente para cuando lo pliegas. You know?
Yeah, ¿me puedes ayudar?
Claro que sí.
So our buddies here, Gabriel and Memphis, they approached us and they just struck a conversation with us, you know, if where we came from, we have nice bikes, or, you know, the usual. But, you know, it shocked me that, you know, they are the ones that approached us and they just decided to start helping us build our tents. They're actually really good at it.
Okay, we back. Y'all ever need help?
All right, you guys want to help them? All right, look, you could pass me the sticks that are there on the floor.
Big ones?
The ones that are loose, that are not tied up with anything.
My shoes?
Yes.
Ponlo y vamos a darle para arriba. Oh, no, vamos a poner el otro palo de una vez. We're gonna put the other big... Oh, that's Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah. We're Hispanic.
English too.
We're bilingual. Yeah, aquí está.
Here's in the middle.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, that's good.
Guys.
That's the part we need to put it over.
There's a top part. All right, so you grab that corner, you grab this corner, and go over the tent. Yep, just like that. Cool. How do you know that was the missing
Goes
part?
around this top.
That goes around the top, exactly. And now we just push it through.
Maybe go over the other side. I'm going to the other side. You got a hatchet. Tell him in the way. Oh, I got it. Wait, back.
Cool. Yo, dudes. Bosses.
You need
Really?
help putting your clipping bag in?
No, I think we're all set, man. I feel very welcome here in Alabama.
How much cameras do y'all have?
Just two. My GoPro, where I record from my motorcycle. And this is my Fuji, the Fuji film camera. This is what I take photography with, and I do like better videos and stuff. I'm probably gonna video around the park later when we're settled in.
Hey, there's this.
Yes, sir.
If you go down there and turn that way, and down that little turn, there's a swimming pool. You can take a picture of some water. It's
A swimming pool?
Swim, like where you can swim.
It's out there on the Coleman Lake.
It's extremely unique going past that Sweet Home Alabama sign and seeing literally the road go upwards at the end of the street. That is a first timer for me, and riding through the forest, riding through a much fresher environment. The roads were pretty empty. It's just something that it's very, very, very unique. The first route that we did from Miami to Gainesville, and from Gainesville to this part in Alabama, are gonna be the longest rides of the entire trip, and I am just drained. You know, the heat that's what did it. You know, it's not the distance, it's not the miles, it's the heat. You know, I've never sweat this much in my life. But I'm just happy that despite that happening, you know, we're still having fun. We're out here meeting new people, seeing new things. And I am just very glad that you guys are seeing things through my eyes that I'm seeing for the very first time ever. So just thank you for joining us, and just enjoy the rest of the footage.